Welcome back into 13 News this morning. Today we're joined with Ms. Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission, and today we're talking all about tofu.
We are, and a lot of people maybe haven't tried it,
Right.
or they're scared to try it.
Sure.
So we have two great recipes. This one is from the Soy Foods Council, and the second one we're going to do today is a winning recipe from the Kansas State Fair. So
Okay.
they're going to be great recipes. And tofu comes where you can get it extra firm, you can get it soft, you can get it firm. I'm using the soft tofu here, and I actually put it in the food processor and whipped it, and look how creamy that is. I like using the soft tofu in a lot of recipes because it's easy to blend.
Sure.
It will replace a lot of high calorie ingredients in your recipes. And then this is just 8 ounces of soy cream cheese.
I love
So
cream cheese.
it's softened, and I'm just going to mix this together and let you guys start adding the other ingredients.
Oh, good.
We're going to wait on that one, and we're going to add the dried onions, and you've got some garlic powder you're going to add.
Okay.
And then we also have this package of ranch dressing mix.
Okay.
And that comes in lots of different flavors that you can do, so you can kind of experiment.
Can I do it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just checking because Raina got the wrong
I
one.
almost ruined the recipe.
I didn't want to get in trouble.
It would not ruin the recipe. But I'm going to tell you in a moment why we didn't do that. So you can mix this. The recipe they called for was just mixing this together. But what I like to do at this point is to put it back in the food processor, or mix it in the food processor the whole time.
So it's really...
So then it's really creamy like we have here. And
really
then after it's really creamy, we're going to just stir
Here we
in the
go.
dried tomatoes. That way
Got
you
it.
can see them in there. So I just wanted to make that point, what we were doing.
That makes sense.
Yeah, so you can see the dried tomatoes really good. But put it back in the food processor, and look how creamy that is. I'm anxious for you to try it. You can serve it with relishes, you can serve it with crackers. Makes a great picnic addition, or a backyard party that you can add for your meal.
Perfect. And Charlene, where can people get these recipes if they want to try them out?
They should go to our website at kansassoybeans.org, or they can also call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll send them all the recipes for June.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we'll be right back after this.